Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at the Dent Schoolhouse in Cincinnati, Ohio. This is one of the premier haunted houses in Ohio. They're consistently a chart topper. They got some of the best scenes and props and stuff in here, and they've got some brand new ones that you haven't seen here before. We're gonna take you inside with us, so without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Where did he get that from?
Uh-oh.
Just this once, you're gonna sacrifice one of your cousins for me? Yeah.
Oh.
I want you to write a little message. Really? You think that's gonna work? Yeah. I'm gonna do it anyway!
Oh God.
How many hits does it take? Oh, yeah!
That's for you, Geister! All right.
You want me to do it?
What you did?
Oh God. Watch out!
Look out, guys, sir.
Oh, Charlie did come out. Oh no.
Uh-oh. Charlie looks angry.
Yeah! 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 That feels great.
I knew you had it in you. I knew it all along.
I did.
Any comments, Charlie? No comments.
There's a little bit of a mess for you to clean up. What am I supposed to do with that?
Whatever you want.
Are you gonna be able to smash it?
You're the pumpkin smasher.
Oh, but that's so
You
fun.
can keep him if you want.
It's so squeaky.
It's like a stress ball for a pumpkin smasher.
Do you think it'll make like a pleasant squeak when smashed or like a pitiful one?
I think it'll sound like a jackrabbit in distress.
Perfect!
Alright,
Oh God.
keep your hand there.
What if I give it like little evil eyes?
Little evil eyes.
Evil eye.
See, now it's an evil pumpkin.
Now
See?
now it needs to be
I
smashed.
told you they were all evil.
Oh
Well, oh, he's still sweet.
It's still
God. He's
alive.
still alive.
See, he's blocking me.
He is.
I didn't know he had stuffing in it.
Ow.
Come out, you little squeaker. Come on out.
Where's the squeaker?
Oh, we gotta bring
There's
him
the
more
guts.
speakers.
Those don't look. Those are weird pumpkin
Charlie!
guts.
Get him.
He's making more messes.
Oh, that's a weird looking squeaker.
Everyone, squeaker.
I got bad
Evil
news.
pumpkin.
I've got bad news. Charlie has his pipe wrench.
Listen, I was provoked. Okay, I will, but not is provoked. He baited me on purpose. Look, I'm tired of getting in trouble every time you guys come here. All these messes I make when you're here.
It's these impulses that you have, pumpkin smasher.
Maybe I did deserve that.
I'm gonna pick Dar.
Oh God, Charlie's got the mallet now. Charlie's got it now.
That's dangerous.
Oh, okay. All right, give it back.
I don't think you realize how dangerous that is.
That is a very dangerous weapon. With great power comes great responsibility.
Terrific responsibility.
Once you get in line here, you go into like a fall fest area back here. They've got all these old school carnival booths set up you can take pictures of. Definitely gets the spooky vibes going before you go in.
Oh, Charlie is sneaking around.
He's upset still.
Oh,
Watch him. You gotta watch him.
here we go, here we go. Thank you.
I think we're gonna need it.
Yeah. Those are pretty. I don't like this. Those kids are creepy. Oh no.
Right this way! You've been keeping us waiting long enough!
Long enough. Are we tardy? I think we're
Try
tardy.
not to get
This is why I
shotgun school a lot. Oh, I don't like it. What's that? Please help me! It's that! I can't go back in the basement! Oh, I don't want to go in the basement. No, I can't. Somebody in, please! I can't go back down there! I can't, please! I don't want to go down there either. I don't want to play with the dolls. I don't like dolls. None of this is creepy at all. Oh, that's creepy. Uh-oh, we're all pointing at him. He's getting spanked. Uh-oh, that thing's moving already. What thing? That thing. It's never good when it's already moving. Is it time for recess? Recess with a hammer? I don't know about that. She's in a really bad mood today.
It looks like it, yeah. Oh, God.
Charlie's gonna get you. Charlie's gonna get you. Oh, you like them all. Oh, yeah. That's awesome.
Oh, the bookshelves are moving.
Oh, God. We gotta go down there. I don't want to go down
That's
there.
where she didn't want to go.
Oh. That poor child. What? Did I do that? Oh. There's Charlie. Oh, hi, Charlie.
He's got a stun stick.
Ah, I don't trust you. Oh, he went that way. Ah! I thought you were over there. Oh God!
You look great on a missing poster.
Oh no! I think we'll stay out here. Oh God! Oh, that one's got a knife. Oh my!
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's do this.
No.
They made fun of me. They told me to drink paint there.
Oh God!
So
don't do
I
that.
did.
No.
And I never felt better.
Oh!
Go in there. You can see some of my masterpieces.
Hey.
The creativity is flourish. Look at this.
Beautiful.
It's beauty. But I need more volunteers. No one else wants to. You help me?
No.
Please?
I'm not drinking paint thinner.
Come on, I'm an artist!
No.
I'll never sleep in class again!
Oh, I don't
Let me out here!
Ew. I don't like it. The hair brushing my arm. Charlie, your new friends are in here! Charlie! Toddlers, go to wherever.
Have fun, he's gonna find you!
Oh, no. Quiet. Don't breathe what they're breathing. Oh, no. We would like to keep those. I don't have one. I want it. It's gone. Oh my God!
Oh, my God.
Close to my walls! No,
It's a bat! Can we cut it?
baptized by the water of the pen. Give me that ball!
No, that'd be mine.
I'm eating it right now.
Oh my. Ew.
As you fall into the kingdom of hell!
Oh my.
Desecration will be my reward! As you walk through the valley of the shadow of death,
Oh God, what is it?
evil will
No. Oh my God, the schoolhouse has a church.
Oh,
Holy moly.
This looks like
Wow.
Oh, God.
You think you'll be saved? Blessed are those you bow before!
Oh candy clown.
Sweet treat. Look at these delectable little morsels.
They're beautiful.
Oh, Mark, wait. Oh, I got so many places I can punch you. Yes, I do.
Yeah. It's warm. Why are you here? I don't know. It's so warm.
You gotta come this way.
Yeah.
I make chalk pudding in my pants!
In your pants.
My pants! I like chalk pudding in my
Don't
pants!
eat that.
It's so good, tasty!
Eat that.
It's got every side effect! I didn't know it'd be like that! Man, he's real! He's in the corner with you!
What?
It's not creepy at all.
Oh no!
Yeah, that'll work.
Woo!
Yeah! Don't touch the lab rats! They'll ruin the flavor!
Oh no!
And they're perfectly seasoned already!
Perfectly seasoned?
Don't touch my substance! And that's what to be done!
Okay.
You and I are very important! You stop it!
Dr. Denton. Oh! Yeah! I can't! It's a snake! Oh my god! Ooh, they're everywhere! Oh
The gardener won't be
no!
happy
Oh!
you're here!
It's a bushman! Oh no!
There's something chirping up there.
Ew!
That is a giant spider.
No, it's not. It's a candy king. Ugh. Yuck!
Yeah,
Yuck,
that's-
yuck.
Please, I didn't think anybody come and find me. Oh. Be quiet, please. He's back here somewhere now. I'm so glad you found me, please. Nobody's been back here forever. I think he's up here, please. Go, let him go, please, no.
Who is it?
No, please.
We gotta go.
Don't go in the bubble room. There's someone in there.
There's someone in there?
Don't. Yes.
God.
There's someone in there.
Oh god. Go backwards, I guess.
What if I bump into somebody?
Oh god. I'll meet you on the other side, Tammy. I can't go through.
What other side?
Just keep following the fence.
Does it look like I went through the bubbles? Turn around, look at the bubbles.
So once you get out of the schoolhouse and out of the bubbles, don't forget to stop in here at the Monster Midway. They've got all kinds of photo ops. They've even got some quick escape rooms you can try. The gift shop's back here. You can get your photos. And do not skip the concession stand. They got some donuts and some brownies here that you do not want to miss.
Oh my god! Woo, that was a good ride.
Also out here in this Midway, they've got this jack-o'-lantern showcase and a museum of all the old haunt memorabilia they've got from over the years. All right, guys, well, that was the Dent Schoolhouse. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. As always, an awesome haunt here in Cincinnati. Love those new changes, that cathedral and that clown area. I got a link to another haunt right here in Cincinnati area. Go check them out too. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.